Today we are going to learn the line. Doesn't it look like a line is standing? Let us call it as a standing line.
Today, what are we going to do? We are going to learn about patterns. What are patterns? Patterns help us to make different letters. So today, first pattern we are going to learn from a book. And which is the first pattern? It is the pattern of standing line. So what is a standing line? Let me see what is a standing line. When teacher is standing straight, this is a standing line. Yes. Now, one more thing I have. Can you see this? This is a matchstick. Oh, a matchstick is which line?
Good day all. Today topic is standing line. Today we are going to learn about the standing line and how to draw a standing line. Let's start. The standing line always goes up to down or down to up.
We will start from two standing line. How will we make standing line? We will make standing line like this. These are four lines. Papa line, baby 1 line, baby 2 line, and this is mother line. So we will start Papa line. Papa line to baby 1 line. Baby 1 line to baby 2 line. So this is standing line. Again,